What's up, everyone? This is the real Mark Cruz, and I'm here to keep it real with you on the things that matter the most, like your money, your mind, and of course, your time. But before we get started, I always have to say I am not a financial advisor, okay? I'm just some dude on the internet. Everything that you see here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. All right, so now with all that out of the way, today I actually want to go over a couple of things with AMC, as this is your daily AMC update video, and some pretty decent as in the way my boy Trey would say. Decent meaning a good thing, right? Some really amazing things actually came out today in terms of news for AMC, and of course the charts were actually looking pretty interesting. I think, like I've been saying, there's a huge move literally right around the corner. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So the first thing I actually wanted to show you guys was this video that literally just came out right before I was about to record, and this was on Fox, right? And Aron actually had some interesting news. Check this out. Let me play this so you guys can see this.
Have you reached out to GameStop? I know in your last conference call you had mentioned that there might be some type of partnership and that you wanted to do it, but you hadn't reached out. Have you now made contact with them, and what would that look like?
As you know, we've been deluged with great suggestions from our new shareholder base ever since they really gained control of the company back in April. One of them, they certainly enjoy their affiliation with AMC. A lot of them enjoy their affiliation with GameStop as well. And they suggested that the two of us team up. We took questions on our last earnings call, not just from securities analysts, but from retail shareholders. That question came up. I said we made contact with GameStop. We have made contact with GameStop. We are talking, but it's too early to say what the shape of some cooperative marketing efforts might be.
Please let us know when you do. We'd love to unveil that here. Good luck with the new ad campaign. Aron, the CEO of AMC Theaters. Thanks so much.
Alrighty, so you guys saw that there, and that essentially was Aron confirming that yes, they have indeed reached out to talk to GameStop, and that there's some stuff brewing, but they're not quite prepared to say what it is yet. So what could that possibly be? He hinted as in, the way that I understood it, it sounded like that was more of a implication, or they were implying that they're working on some cooperative ad campaign, maybe some esports in the theater type thing. I don't know, whatever it is. I think not only will it be great for both brands, but it'll be great for both stocks. And literally, as soon as that took place, wait, let me take these damn things off. Hearing myself inside my headphones. Literally, when that took place, you guys can see here, I'm going to show you. You can see literally the second this thing started to rip was around the time that Aron mentioned that. See, so you can see it was around 3:27 Eastern time, and we had this super jump up. It was literally from about 46.80ish, and it jumped up all the way to about 49 within a couple of minutes. So that definitely helped the stock price, because for most of the day, you can see after around lunchtime, it was essentially consolidating a lot, right? And if you actually see, the day started off great. We had this huge jump in the morning. It jumped up to about 49.40. We actually had a high. Well, that was the high, 49.40. And we had a low at some point that actually touched about 45.73. So today, overall, it actually closed less than 1% down. So literally no big deal, nothing to be stressed about. At the time of this recording, after hours wise, it's actually a little bit down, but let's see where it goes, because this is still early in the after hours. GameStop should have their earnings, I believe. So we shall see how that goes. Yeah, probably by the time you see this, the earnings will be out, and I'm pretty sure that they're going to do great. So yeah, AMC today was doing great. If we're looking out on the daily, you can see this here too. Yeah, we're still respecting that new area that I've been mentioning, which was above the 39 range, right? Essentially, let's just say above 40, right? AMC definitely is respecting that, and it's literally working its way up, and it's been beating its this area, like you can see here, around 46.70ish. So yeah, guys, I really think this thing is just wound up so freaking tight. This thing is gonna explode, and I can't wait, guys. We're getting like severely close. The MACD is looking pretty much how it was yesterday, so that's good. We didn't actually drop anywhere near where it could have gone, so that's good. We're still maintaining. We still closed pretty much similar to where we opened, so that's actually not bad. So yeah, the RSI is about the same. The volume today was slightly less, compared to yesterday's, but Yeah, we were at about 95, almost 96 million. So that's actually really good. So check this out. That wasn't the only thing that AMC came out with today. They also came out with this commercial. So let me actually pull that up so we can look at that here. Oh, and as with everything, all the links are in the description below, of course. But this is a new ad campaign that AMC released earlier. This was prior to the Fox interview, and you can see it here. It says this is from, of course, Aron, the Silverback. He let out a tweet earlier that said, "Cinema History by AMC Theaters is launching a $25+ million national advertising campaign, never done before by any theater chain. Our magical and powerful commercials star Oscar winner Nicole Kidman explaining why seeing a movie at an AMC is so incredibly special." So let's see. The ad's about a minute long, so let's show you guys what that looked like here.
We come to this place for magic. We come to AMC Theaters to laugh, to cry, to care. Because we need that, all of us. That indescribable feeling we get when the lights begin to dim. And we go somewhere we've never been before. Not just entertained, but somehow reborn. Together. Dazzling images on a huge silver screen. Sound that I can feel. Somehow, heartbreak feels good in a place like this. Our heroes feel like the best part of us. And stories feel perfect and powerful. Because here, they are. AMC Theaters. We make movies better.
Honestly, I actually saw that in real time. So this was the first time that I saw that with you guys. So wow, that was very well done. Very well done. And that theater looked amazing. I don't know about you guys, but a lot of the AMCs that I've gone to, they look good, but like this one looked like futuristic as hell. So I love that. That was actually really, really well done. Almost brought a tear to my eye. Oh, I love it. Great job, guys. Great job. But yeah, AMC's been looking great today, guys. There's a lot of great fundamental things coming out. Clearly, they're kicking ass, but let's also go over, let's actually go over Market Chameleon. Let's look at that, guys. Check this out. So let's refresh that. And let's check the dark pool trades for today. It says AMC dark pool trades reported for AMC have accounted for 61%. Still hugging that 60-ish% range. Yeah, hopefully one day they'll cut it out. But there is that, guys. And then looking at Stanko Tracker, let's refresh that. Right now, it says, right now, 49,013 calls are set to expire in the money on Friday, September 10th. And if we close at 50, it'll add an additional 37,444 calls in the money. There's about 750,000 shares available to borrow at the time of this recording. And that's actually slightly less than yesterday. So that's good. And you can see the volume itself started off great. Started to trickle down again like it has been these past few days. And at the end is when it started to really pick back up again. So we shall definitely see what tomorrow holds. I'm definitely curious to see, because now based on the GameStop earnings news, which like I said, I assume by the time you guys see this, all of those things are going to be out. But assuming that they do good, like I predict that they are, GME and AMC historically have done, pretty similar moves. Specifically, even when it comes to, earnings calls and things like that. So if they demolish their earnings call, I assume AMC and GME are going to look great coming into tomorrow. Fundamentally speaking, like I said, it looks great. And technically speaking, it's actually looking like it has been, for the past, couple of days. We're actually wound so tight. We're literally on the cusp of, I think, a huge breakout. So yeah, it's just a matter of time, guys. So with all that being said, that's just my quick little update video today on AMC. What are your guys' thoughts? What do you guys think about, this AMC ad campaign that they're pushing out now? Do you think it's cool? Do you think it's awesome? Do you think it's actually really interesting that this is the first time ever that any theater chain has done this? Also, what are your thoughts on AMC now finally reaching out to GameStop? What do you think that's going to bring to the table? What do you think that's going to turn up? And do you think it's going to actually be an amazing thing that could potentially push both stocks up? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, guys. And with all that being said, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, share this video with anyone who might benefit from this information. On that note, keep your heads bright, your wallets tight, and grab your dreams like it's your right, my friends. Peace.